you do during the week, bro?
What do I do? I just relax and all that.
Finish school? Finish school?
Yeah, I'll finish. So today, I'm going into the bell tower of my church. Here we go.
Hey, TikTok me.
Yeah, why not? Sorry about that, but should I leave my stuff down here?
You might need your hand because it's a little tight.
Do you want me to leave my stuff?
Yeah, just put them down there. I hope you to fall.
Yeah.
For a quick look.
Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's steep.
Yep, careful.
It's also very dark up here.
Yeah, there's a lot of here, alright.
I'm just curious, that's all.
Yeah, no, this is it. These are all counterweighted, they've restored the bells.
Yeah.
There was someone playing them before before and after the earlier service.
Is it loud if you touch one of them?
Yeah, you can.
Wow. They actual bells?
Yeah, they had it restored a few years ago.
Is that them?
There. Yeah, yep.
Is that them?
I think so, maybe. Yep. They're like that anyway.
Wow. Okay, so I'm going to do all of them.
Oh yeah? Okay.
Ready?
Alright.
Go.
Pretty cool, eh? Let's go.
Just curious. I'm someone that really likes doing stuff like this.
Yeah, great. I'm glad you did.
I've been all around Australia.
Have you?
Yeah. Oh.
Alright?
Yeah.